So I want to show you a new way to get inside the hip flexor, the TFL region. So normally from the table is I'll dig my elbow in, and I'll kind of do some tomahawking motions. But the problem is I have a hard time, once I start cutting the corner of the hip, it becomes a little tricky because I gotta kind of lower down. And not only that, but the circumference of my elbow is small and it's extremely hard. So I want to show you a whole different way I have for getting into this. All right, so we're gonna jump down into the mat, get my Thai mat out. And here's what I like to do. I take my foot and I'll scoop underneath his knee for control. And then I'm gonna take my heel and press into the TFL area. Now the reason why I like the heel is bigger, but it's also softer, so it's not as aggressive. And it contours perfectly, like the arch contours perfectly around the hip. So I can almost pull the foot as I press in at the same time. And then we'll do some compression with active engagement. Rotate your leg in and out. So you can do a little movement here. I can also, if I want to get real innovative, I can dig my toe into the corner. All right, let me show you the first shooter view of it. All right, so here's from my point of view. Again, I scoop underneath, got the knee, and I'm digging in. There we go. So again, I'm doing this kind of push-pull motion. And we forget that when massage first started, sport, in general, people use more than just their elbows, right, and our hands. It's just because of bureaucracy that we've put it and kept it on the table, but everything started from the ground. So this is just really getting back to something. This isn't even, it's like the old became the new again. And I'll show you with the toe what I was doing. And this is, again, my feet are pretty conditioned, right? I am barefoot all the time. So if you're not, you may have to spend some time conditioning your feet. That's me using my toe. Kyle, how is that, brother?
Good.
This is really intense. Cool. And again, if I want to step down to the lateral quad, you'll see how, again, like I said, my foot contours pretty well to this area of the body, so I can create pressure and traction, almost like a fascial stretch. So there you go.